Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through a simple yet functional library management system built using Python. This system allows you to add, view, search, borrow, and return books, all while storing the data in a CSV file. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Checking for the library data file. The first thing our program does is check if a CSV file exists to store our book information. If the file isn't found, the program automatically creates one. This file will store the book ID, title, author, publication year, and availability status. This is crucial because it ensures the system can operate smoothly from the start. Step 2. Adding new books. Next, we have a function that allows users to add new books to the system. When a user inputs the book ID, title, author, and publication year, the program records this information in the CSV file, marking the book as available. This way, we can keep track of all the books in the library in an organized manner. Step 3. Viewing all books. We've also included a feature to view all the books stored in the system. When you choose to view books, the program reads the CSV file and displays all the information, such as the book's ID, title, author, year, and whether the book is available for borrowing. This gives users a clear view of the entire catalog. Step 4. Searching for a book. The system also supports searching for a specific book by its ID. When a user enters the book's ID, the system looks it up in the CSV file and displays the details of the book if it exists. If the book isn't found, the system informs the user that it's not available in the catalog. Step 5. Borrowing a book. One of the core functionalities is borrowing books. When a user selects this option, they enter the book ID they want to borrow. If the book is available, the system updates its status to unavailable, marking that the book has been borrowed. If the book is already borrowed or doesn't exist, the system informs the user. Step 6. Returning a book. When the user wants to return a borrowed book, they input the book's ID. The system checks if the book is marked as borrowed and updates its status back to available. If the book wasn't borrowed, the system will notify the user that something's wrong, preventing any confusion. Step 7. The main menu. Finally, the system is navigated using a main menu. It offers different options such as adding a book, viewing all books, searching for a specific book, borrowing a book, returning a book, or exiting the program. The user can interact with these options through simple inputs. In just a few steps, we've created a basic yet powerful library management system that covers all the essential features a library needs to function. By utilizing Python's CSV module, we've ensured that all data is stored in a persistent file, making it easy to manage and scale this system. I hope this project gives you a solid understanding of how to handle file operations, user input, and basic data management in Python. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.